Alright guys, now we're on the Prospect Street crossing. Now I'm sorry if I'm whispering, they are working on this road, so I don't want to make a lot of noise. Anyways, here we have a couple of signal masses. Now these are regular classic signals, and as you can see they got a few of the SafeTran fading type LEDs. The relay case is right over here, and then like I said, I'll provide a Google Maps link below so you can check it out. Then over there is the other signal. I'm not going to run over there because like I said, they're working, so I'm not going to try to distract them. And the other signal has the bell, which is a SafeTran Type 3 e-bell. This signal used to have a SafeTran hybrid, but it was replaced back in 2015 because I think the other one failed. Anyway, and then there's the dot tag, and the other one's the same, which is 1821M. I think this one was changed several times, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. I'm sorry that I can't get around to the air signal, because like I said, they're working on this road. So anyway, and then again, there's the relay case. This track over here I think is abandoned. CN doesn't use this very often. Alright, bear with me.